Hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how we can resolve this issue. As you can see here, I have an airtel SIM but the signal is not at all visible properly. For that guys go here and try to click on the airplane mode. Try to make it back. See, service is still not there, still no service. Okay, now guys, you do what? Now try to remove the SIM. As soon as I'm removing the SIM card, you can see here we don't have anything. So as soon as I put the SIM back, now try to restart the system. Still after doing all that, we are still not getting the signal. For that, what you have to do, guys, so click on settings, search for SIM toolkit. Then what you do, you force stop this app, click on OK. Then what you do, you go to storage and you see the user data is 14.85 KB and total cache is something else, right? Clear the storage, delete app data, click on delete now. Okay, you remove the SIM or you directly can switch off the mobile. Okay, let me switch off and switch on. You can see now the signal is there. Just go to settings. So also you have the preferred network type. Can you hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care, have a great day, bye bye.